Alright, so this will be my introduction video, I guess, to my channel. And here's my snow plowing rig. It's got a 12 horse single. And my problem is that there side has bent. So guess we got to take it off. But it's all winch control, I guess. Here. I bent it, but yeah, so we gotta lift it up a little bit. Should be good enough. Okay, yeah, as you can see, I made those homemade stickers. 12 horse. That's my John Deere I have. It was my very first lawn tractor. So what do we need? An adjustable. Some socket. Okay. I think that's right, guys. I don't know. Got this. Alright, I guess. Alright, let's go. We're going to be removing them on both sides. And once I get those flaps just off, I think I'm just going to bend it in. So that seems like that might just work the best. So, yeah. Here might be the shot. Too small. Or, yeah, too small. So, now we just gotta go get one size bigger. Oops. Or a couple, I guess. There, I got 3 selections. Alright. Sorry about the camera. If you don't know, I'm using an iPad to record. So it's probably not the best quality, just so you know. Crap, I'll be right back. Gotta grab a screwdriver. Alright, so we made this plow. We had to make some extensions. You see in the first video, there wasn't an extension on there. Now there is. Because the snow and whatever else I was pushing went over it. And it didn't turn out too good. And this here just bent. I figured if I bend it back up, it might bend or break again down. So yeah. One down. Need an adjustable. The plow works pretty good. We just attached the plywood. We took a piece of 2x4 and added on to these here bolts, and then just bolted it on. And we just screwed the plywood onto the 2x4. So that's that. Now, just maybe kick it in like so. Grab tools. Go in the garbage. So now I'm going to do this side. Don't think should be too hard. Huh. I guess we gotta use the adjustable a little bit because the socket does not fit. If I could ever turn the thing. They're lock nuts. So then they're a pain in the butt to get off. And so you guys know, I also do a lawn care a little bit. And that's why I have 2 mowers. Sometimes my buddy comes out and helps me. Oh crap. But anyway. Finally. Alright. And yeah, I built this all out of stuff that we had laying around. Well, the frame we had that mounted onto the tractor. But that was homemade too. We used to have a 4-wheeler that it was a Honda, and we just cut the frame down a little bit and widened it so it fits my lawn tractor. If I could ever pick this up. Can't hold on to anything. But I guess keep the metal and the bolts. And yeah. Oh, and by scratch, we had to buy that winch. It was only like $100. It is rated at 2,500 pounds, and yeah, I bent the frame before I'll bend anything else on the winch. So. Oh, workbench is a little bit of a mess. We got a ton of hammers, but this is my favorite. It's a little longer handle, but bend this one in a little bit more. There. Yeah. Oh, I rigged up my key because I need a new switch. The key likes to vibrate out, so I fixed that. So, yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and subscribe for some more.